Good afternoon, everyone. This video is going to be a instructional video on how to update multi-charts. So I think I have shown this before, but I'm just going to make a separate video so you can easily follow it. I created a new workspace just because I didn't want to do this within my existing workspace, so I can make this video from this particular window. So there are probably multiple ways to do it. Here is how I do it. So from the main menu area up here, I'm going to select Help, and then I'm going to say Check for Updates. Right. So it's going to, and then it's going to come back and tell me a new version, right, is available, and I'm going to select Download the new version. Maybe can use this one as well. I'm just going to select Download the new version. It is going to open up Windows Explorer, and not Chrome. This is just the default. And then down here, I'm going to get the option to run or save. Many times I will select save, but just for simplicity, I'm going to select run. Right, and it's going to download it first. And so I'm going to pause the video here for just a moment because it's a big file, and it'll take it looks like it's going to take a couple of minutes to download. Okay, so I've restarted the video. As you can see, we're winding down to just a few seconds remaining, and so what the message is going to be giving me now is going to be down here in the taskbar area. I'm just going to get to it, trying to get to it down here so you can see it. So I can go ahead and close this and then come back into MultiCharts, and it's going to give me the install here. Now this is what the next thing is. What I do, I just want to give it a blank area to meaning I don't want it running anything when I'm doing the install. This is just good practice anyway. So I am going to actually exit MultiCharts. I'm going to go ahead and label this workspace test because it's not my normal workspace. All right, and then close Explorer. So now I really have nothing open. I mean, a Snagit is running, so this is the first time that I will have run Snagit while this is running. So probably not going to be a problem, but let's give it a shot. So from here, I'm going to hit Install. Right, and then I'm going to hit, this is MultiChart Setup Wizard. I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to accept the license agreement and hit Next again. This is just like what has changed. So I'm going to hit Next again using the default location for the setup. I'm going to hit Next. I do want to compile all uncompiled studies. For me, I don't do this. I will add it to the quick launch bar though. So I'm going to hit Install. And once it gets going again, I may pause the video again. Yeah, I'll go ahead and let it run. Mine runs relatively fast. My system has an SSD instead of a hard drive, so it'll do this relatively quickly. It will also go off and compile things as well. your system may take a little bit longer, or maybe a little bit faster. If you have a hard disk, it will definitely take a little longer. It's trying to wrap up now. Okay, then it gives you the option, and you click finish, and then that's pretty much going to be the end of it. So now MultiCharts has been updated. Okay, so now I'm going to restart MultiCharts. And it should bring up my test workspace that I was using. Maybe not. So I'll just bring it up. Open workspace, and I'll do test. Which is just basically a 15-second chart. Is all this workspace is. Okay, so I mean, that's pretty much it. Everything else should come back as is. Do a help about MultiCharts, and it is the new build number, right? So there's that, and you can just double verify to do a help and a check for updates, and it comes back and tells you we're currently using the latest version of MultiCharts. And so that's it, and you're set to go. Everything else should be running the same. Haven't really, in this particular update, haven't noticed anything significant or went through the what's changed. A lot of little stuff. Didn't necessarily think of see anything that would affect us. So I'm going to let this run and put it on the website so you can refer back to it in the future to update your MultiCharts. All right, have a good day.